Okay, so good morning, everyone. Today we are presenting our rapid prototype civil, which was a bamboo ladder. And we were guided by Sitaram sir. And the group members are me, Akshita, Amit, Vivek, Nitin, Mangesh, and Neha. So the contents included in this presentation are basics of bamboo, aspects related to bamboo, pre-tests, components used, product detailing, cost estimation, problem faced and the solutions, methodology, disadvantages and advantages of using bamboo, conclusions and references. Now, first thing first, let's see some basics about bamboo. Bamboo is a building material that has high strength and low weight. It's used in constructions of scaffoldings, bridges, structures of house. Its natural surface provides a very smooth and clean finish, which does not require any outside polish or scrapping. It is grown on a degraded land, hence reduces soil erosion and the reliance on threatened of forest. Now I'll ask Neha to continue.
Thank you, Akshita. Now we see the aspects related to bamboo. Bamboo is strong and fast growing material. It is grow up to the 60 centimeter and more in more days. Now, some properties of bamboo are it is good bending strength and its flexibility. It is used in green buildings and sustainable development. It is also used in structurally for thousand year and many parts of the world. Also, and advantages of bamboo is cheap, flexible, tough, high tensile, lightweight. Now, next part I will hand over to Nitin.
Yes, thanks Neha. When we analyze any material, the pre-test is most important part. There are some various techniques and pre-test for testing of material for how the actual material of the bamboo is behaving and to see how strong or what is the capacity further need due to which we take pre-test. For that, and we got some of the laboratory ideas of pre-test that given and mentioned below. First one is compression strength test on bamboo, and second one is bamboo joint test. Yes. And first one is compression strength test on bamboo. Uh, the strength of the bamboo we can measure using this test. Being a natural product, the compressive strength and other mechanical properties of the bamboo vary by location, age, and the type of the species. The compressive strength of the bamboo is roughly situated between 40 and 80 Newton per millimeter square, which is twice the 4 times the value of the most timber species. Then second one is bamboo joint test. We know that bamboo is famous for its tensile strength, compressive bending, stiffness, elasticity, hardness, and durability of the bamboo to resist different forces or loads on structural members. Results shown that the strength properties of the bamboo are higher than most of the soft and hardwood. This picture we clicked in the lab for testing of the bamboo joint. Yeah. Then these are some picture we have clicked when working with the our product made with the bamboo. First picture we see the drilling for the joint of the bamboo. Then second one is making fish mouth for the joint purpose. Then third one is our joint testing product for this testing the bamboo joint strength. Then next, then this is the our final product ladder which we make from the bamboo. Yes. Then I next hand over to the Vivek. Vivek, you are not audible. Vivek, Vivek, you are muted. Please unmute yourself. Vivek,
Yes,
Amit, previous slide.
yes. So for making final products, we have used the listed components in our workshop. First is bamboo cutter, second bamboo splitter, chisel, hammer, and driller. So the bamboo cutter is used for cutting the large length of bamboo, which we directly get from our market or from forest area. And the bamboo splitter, this is used for cutting the cylindrical bamboo into uh, different parts. In between 4 and 6 parts we can use here. And chisel is used to clear the nodes or particularly to make it in a flat surface. And hammer is used to stroke the bamboo. And the drill is used to hole to make joint or to insert the key in the bamboo. The final product we have made using the bamboo after applying uh, all the 7 feet bamboos and six of 1 feet ladder, a step ladder inside it by using different keys and uh, jack machine also. So here I have made the dimensions. The first, the length is 7 feet actual length, but during cutting and all this process, we have it reduces to 6.5 or 6 to 8 something. And then ladder strip size, it is exactly 1 foot. Distance between the
Yes, Vivek.
next slide. Yes. So to for the interlocking purpose of 6 step ladder with the 7 feet long bamboos, we have inserted four keys inside the small 1 feet step ladder, and the size of keys is between 0.5 feet to, means it is less than 1 feet. So we have inserted in between it to interlock between bigger bamboo. And the length of keys we have inserted at the end of bigger bamboo, that is in at the end of 7 feet bamboo. We have used 0.5 foot key, or we can say more than that also, depend on the hollowness of that bamboo. And the for those inserting keys and inserting the interlocking purpose, we need to drill in the main bamboo. So we have total made 48 drilled holes in the total final product. And features and the specifications related to our bamboo is the first color. It is greenish brown. It is the most found common bamboo in our area and market also. And finishing, just we have completed our prototype, so it is non-polished. Again, we need some further process to make it finalized and to sell in the market. Appearance is good, natural, and then features, it is unbreakable, unresistive, and lightly weight. Next slide. So here I would like to ask Amit to please continue from here.
Yes, thank you, Vivek. So now we will see the cost of estimation. So in market, we get 12 feet bamboo for rupees 50. So the price for 1 feet of bamboo is 50 by 12, and the total length which we required in this for making this product is 30 feet. So therefore, the total cost is 30 into 50 by 12, which is 125 rupees. So here is the link given so that you can check the price for the bamboo in market. Next, we will see the problem faced and solutions. So the problem one is finding appropriate keys. So it is hard to find appropriate keys to fit in the bamboo. So by taking appropriate length of the key required by using the measuring tape, and by using trial and error method, we can find appropriate key which fixes into the bamboo. Then second problem is making perfect fitting middle elements or the steps of the bamboo of the ladder. So the solution is we need to take the correct length of the bamboo piece using the measuring tape, and also we have to take care while making the fish mouth that it is made appropriately so that it fixes correctly on the side to bamboos. Then problem three is making final assembly of product. So making the final assembly, we know that bamboo is not always straight. Sometimes we get it as in bend. So we have to use jack for fixing the middle elements of the ladder. So using a jack will hold the product firmly so that we can do our work correctly. Then the problem four is making holes for fitting keys. So for solution for that is that by doing the repetitive drilling process, that we will make an appropriate hole in which the key fits correctly. The hole should not be larger than the key, otherwise we have to replace the bamboo and it will create unnecessary waste. So next I would like to hand over to Mangesh.
Yeah, thank you, Amit. So we will now see the methodology that we have used to make a final product. So first of all, we have learned the different aspects of the bamboo from starting from the basics to higher level. Next, we have done two important tests on the bamboo, which is tensile strength and compression test. After that, we have made a small interlocking key lock system using fish mouth on the bamboo. For and next we have selected our product, that is we have made a ladder with having its initial dimensions on a board. Next we have taken the bamboo of some length and cutting into a particular length. After that we have cutted the two bamboos of 7 feet size each, and a step ladder of 1 feet size each. After that, we have made the fish mouth on the both sides of the 6 feet ladder and arranged the keys to interlock them. And lastly, we some finishing work is done. Next slide. Now we will see the advantages of bamboo. As bamboo is a fastest growing plant, and it is almost readily available in almost every part of the India. It is durable and then strong. Due to the corrosion free nature, it does not broke easily by hand. It requires very high weight to be broken into two parts. Third one is easy installation. It does not require any machine level process or any other things. A single man can also install a bamboo at a particular place. Fourth one is affordable. We can get the bamboo at reasonable prices at any locations. It is non-polluting, as it is readily available in nature and has some non-polluting properties. And last one is the natural and chemical free. It doesn't have any types of chemicals in it. It contains, most of the time it contains water in it, so it is natural. Next slide. So let's see about the disadvantages. The bamboo shrinks much greater as compared to other types of material. The second one is microorganism attacks. There are some microorganisms which are present in nature from due to which the the life cycle of the bamboo get reduces. Third one is volatile organic chemical emissions. Some Most of the companies uses bamboo using some chemicals in that, due to which the life cycle and the strength of the bamboo get decreases. Third one, easily gets scratches as it is a natural product. A single person can scratch the bamboo into two parts. uh, Last one is the non-fire resistance. The bamboo is hollow in nature and it contains some air in that. So when it gets covered by certain fire, it can also get exploded. Now I'll hand it over to Neha.
Thank you, Mangesh. Now we finally conclude that it is the bamboo is high value utilization, not only the economic development, but also it save the forest and our ecological development. Also we see the its properties, advantages, disadvantages, its feature. Uh, Hence, we successfully made up a prototype design of bamboo ladder by studying the different aspects of bamboo. This prototype is constructed in workshop and finishing. It is it will become complete product finally. Next, now these are the references where we get the information about our project. Thank you.
Thank you, that will be it.